Hi, I'm Jason Bolden, celebrity stylist, and I'm here with Revolve to give you the guidelines on what to pack on your next European trip. First things first, let's explore the town. I created one of the classic easy to pack looks, a Tularosa top and an LSPACE skirt. This is something that everyone does not think about, and I like to use it as my free SPF. It's the perfect hat to protect everything. This cowboy hat is like the new craze, but it's also a classic. Speaking of classics, I really want to lean into something that everybody's talking about how much they love and most people talk about how much they hate. I like to say I love it. It's the Y2K belt vibe. I'm gonna put this belt over the skirt and layer it. This becomes your own kind of like city vibe on vacation. You need something with a little pop in your own personality. I like to go for a wild, crazy bag, the Fendi Baguette. It's a classic, everyone needs it. Last but not least, a little sparkle, never hurt anyone. This is kind of a longer necklace. Most people would just do it completely a drop. I like to wrap it to give a bit more personality and something that feels a bit more you. This is one of those looks that's so transitional. You can wear it to the beach, you can put your bikini or swimsuit under it, and you can also wear it out tonight to a great party, a great bar, an easy, relaxed, sexy vibe to go out at night. Okay, it's time to relax and we're going to the beach. And what better way to show up than in a super cool, super down swimsuit. This swimsuit is one of my favorites. I love the cut. I love the fact that you could take this top and work it back to a trouser or a skirt. Now we're leaving the beach to go to the beach club, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean about how versatile this bikini is. First things first, we're gonna try this crocheted skirt. Easy to pack. The sizing on this is what I really love because it's drawstring. So there's a great way to kind of play with this depending on how you wanna wear it. Do you wanna wear it high-waisted? Do you wanna wear it a little low slung? Then we also have the matching crochet top. Again, I cannot express enough why crochet is one of the best things to kind of travel with. There's no stress about how to pack, steam, press, or anything like that. This is a perfect add to your packing. It doesn't take up too much space, which I always love, and you never have to think about steaming or pressing something like this. Again, this is so perfect, but we're missing some key elements that I like to lean into for personality. First things first is a hat. This feels like your own. It feels like everyone is going to be asking the same question, where did you get this from? Also, I'll add a little pop of color because we went very neutral with this. So I always love to focus on one thing that can sing, and there's the sunglasses. So I know you have a couple of things that you're probably taking from the beach. Now you're transitioning to the beach club. So you need the perfect bag for that. So much personality, super cool, and you can see everything that you need in your bag. So here we go, have a good time. You are the belle of the beach club. I'm so excited about this look. I've been waiting and searching high and low to find the look that speaks for itself. And this particular look is perfect for dinner and the night out. This strapless Somebodee dress and tights is insane. It's super cool, it's super edgy, and it's super fresh. This is the perfect thing where you don't need much, but I'm gonna take it up a notch to add again, over and over again, personality and something that feels like yours. So here we go. A pair of like nostalgic, retro Bottega Veneta sunglasses. Really, really kind of major. I'm gonna add just a little more pop to this, which are these Jenny Bird earrings. I love an earring that's really close to the ear, especially when you're in a look like this. There's no competition, and perfect play on a huggy earring. This is perfect again for dinner and going out. So what's really important about a look like this is it speaks for itself. You have the lace, you have the micro mini, you have the tights that connect to it. So you don't have to go heavily on accessories. I focused on a pair of sunglasses and a close to the ear earring. So there you have it, the look that says it all. So my number one tip for this European summer is pack wisely. Find things that are easy to transition from one space to another. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below which look you loved. And don't forget to subscribe to Revolve's YouTube channel.